10 really interesting food facts. Number 1. There are over 30,000 edible plant species. Still, people only grow around 150 crops on commercially significant scales, leaving thousands of crops neglected or underutilized for centuries. On top of that, over 40% of our daily calories come from just 3 staple crops: rice, wheat, and maize. Number 2. While chili peppers are essential to many Asian cuisines, it's actually native to the Americas and originate from some 6,000 years ago. Portuguese traders introduced this to Asia only at the end of the 15th century. Number 3. You might be surprised where chocolate comes from. Cocoa pods give us cocoa beans, which are then fermented, dried, cleaned, and roasted. These roasted beans are ground into cocoa mass, which is the unadulterated form of chocolate. If you think this is interesting, then make sure you catch the clever produce trick we've saved for the end. Number 4. Did you know the artichoke center of the world is in a tiny rural town in California? Castroville produces nearly 99.99% of all commercially produced artichokes, where they're grown year-round. The city even has a 20-foot-tall artichoke statue. Number 5. In Mattoon, Illinois, there's a restaurant called Burger King, but not the one you think it is. This location was opened well before the famous fast food chain registered the name as a state trademark in Illinois in 1959. The Burger King fast food chain now is not allowed to operate within a 20-mile radius of the original restaurant. Number 6. Have you ever noticed how easy finishing a bag of Cheetos is? This is because of the phenomenon known as vanishing caloric density. Cheetos and other puffed corn products are so light and fluffy that your brain forgets it's eating. So you keep on eating until the bag is gone, feeling like you haven't eaten much at all. Number 7. In 2020, Mexico passed a law requiring all unhealthy foods to have a mandatory warning label on the front of the label. All foods high in trans fat, saturated fat, sodium, sugar, or calories now have a large black octagonal warning label. Number 8. If you've ever wanted a magical coffee experience, then Sweet Little Rain has created just the cup for you. This Chinese coffee chain offers an Americano with a cotton candy cloud. As the vapor rises to the top, the cotton candy dissolves and rains down sugar into the cup. Doesn't that look delicious? Number 9. Cassowary's meat is so tough that people are told to cook it in a pot with a stone. They say when the stone is ready to eat, so is the cassowary. Number 10. If you're dealing with an unripe green tomato, just stick it in a container with a ripe banana. The banana releases ethylene gas, which in turn will ripen the tomato. This also works with apples and avocados.